What if I told you that the very lies we swallow, be they inadvertent or calculated, could be the shackles binding us to poverty? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? But let's dive deeper into this intriguing issue. Take the case of Representative George Santos, a New York Republican who's been caught in the crosshairs of controversy. He pledged to donate his $174,000 congressional salary to charitable causes. Yet, the details of these donations are shrouded in secrecy. Santos cites privacy and non-obligation, but the lack of transparency raises eyebrows. His critics argue that these unfulfilled promises could be impoverishing the very causes he vowed to support. Misinformation is another form of lie that can have a serious impact on our society. Elon Musk, a prominent figure, was criticized for using a misleading graphic to downplay violence against people of color. This instance underlines how misinformation can skew our understanding and lead to poor decision-making, which in turn can perpetuate systemic poverty. It's a silent enemy, one that countries like Finland and Estonia are fighting by integrating data education into their curriculums. An educated populace is less likely to fall prey to lies and more likely to make informed decisions that uplift society. Yet another case in point is the recent announcement of Evusheld, a monoclonal antibody drug authorized by the FDA to prevent COVID-19. Despite its proven effectiveness, the government secured doses for less than 1/10 of eligible patients. Again, misinformation and lack of transparency are at play. The scarcity of the drug leaves the most vulnerable at risk, perpetuating a cycle of health-related poverty. In essence, the lies we encounter, whether they're veiled as secrets, misinformation, or half-truths, have a significant impact on poverty. They skew our understanding, misdirect resources, and perpetuate systemic issues. By demanding transparency, promoting data literacy, and ensuring equitable resource distribution, we can cut the chains of these lies and step towards a more prosperous society. This is a battle that needs our collective effort. After all, the truth shall set us free, and in this case, it might just make us richer.